This video from OS College gives a quick demonstration of the inverse cosine function in LibreOffice Calc. The function also will work in Google Sheets and in Microsoft Excel for Windows, Mac, or the online version when it is written the same way. In cell F12 of this calc worksheet is the cosine. Let's put the inverse cosine in column A. Click on cell A1. Then click in the formula bar. Type the equal sign. Type the letters ACOS. This is the function code most spreadsheet applications use for inverse cosine. Type in open parentheses. Then click cell F12. With the cosine 0.977. Type the closed parentheses symbol. Press Return or Enter on the keyboard. The inverse cosine of 0.977. 0.213 now appears in cell A1. In cell A2 let's show the inverse cosine of -1. Type the equal sign in the formula bar. Type ACOS. Type in open parentheses. Type -1. Type closed parentheses. Press Return or Enter on the keyboard. Cell A2 now shows 3.14. The inverse cosine of -1. This video has been a quick demonstration of the inverse cosine function in LibreOffice Calc. The video is part of OS College's series on formulas for calc. Thank you for watching. There are more videos in the playlist on this channel or social media page. Visit the OS College website to learn more about LibreOffice. Links are in the description for this video.